How is everybody doing? As a request of some people, I am going to do a video on opening range breakouts and explaining how I use them and provide two examples. First, I want to start by going over what is an opening range, and this definition is taken directly from Investopedia.com. What is an opening range? The opening range shows a security's high and low price for a given period after the market opens. Day traders monitor a stock's opening range because it can provide an indication of market sentiment and price trend for the day. So basically it can be used on any time frame, and you get the high and low of that range and you wait for a break above the high or below the low. And I will show you an example. So the first example I want to look at here is QQQ. So this was our first 3-minute candle here. So we're going to do a replay and we're going to come back to here. So first 3-minute candle. Okay, it closes. So what we're going to do is we're going to plot the high of this candle and then we are going to plot the low of this candle. So that is our opening range. So now what I would typically do is I would set an alert to alert me when it goes above 356.61 or an alert when it goes below 355.43. So now we're going to go ahead and set those alerts theoretically, and then we're going to watch the price action. Boom. The next candle, we break below our low. So before I would enter this trade, I would wait for this candle to close as confirmation to make sure we didn't break through and we have a big long wick. You want the body to close below the low or the high or whichever way it breaks. Then if we follow this trade out, we just get lower and lower and lower. Then we see a little bit of a reversal of a bounce, and then we keep going lower and lower. So that is how you play an opening range. Basically, you can use it on the 3-minute, the 5-minute, the 10-minute, the 15-minute, whichever ones you want to use it on, whatever time frame, and you basically set your high and your low for that candle after it closes, and then you wait for that level to break and you wait for confirmation. So if the wick of the next candle is above or below that range, whichever side you're looking at for the high or the low, you probably don't want to enter. But if the body closes below, I would go ahead and enter that trade. So the next one we're going to look at is SPY. So SPY was another good one. So we're going to do a replay and we're going to go back. So bam, first candle of the morning. We are going to plot the high and the low. So we have our orb high and our orb low. So now if I was doing this, I would come in here and I would set an alert using the alert feature for a break above 447.59 or a break below 446.39. So as soon as that happens, bam, the next candle. It closes, the body is below. So we want to enter that trade, and if we follow the price action out, we went lower and lower. Then we had a little bounce, lower and lower. So when using an orb, you can set your stop loss at the opening range high. So if you enter on a break below the low, you could set your stop loss as the high, and then as the price progressively gets lower and away from where you entered, you can move your stop loss down. So that is my brief explanation on orbs and how to use them. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Y'all have a good night. Thank you.